Hi, I'm Alison O'Connor with CSU Extension in Larimer County, and a good pair of gardening gloves can go a long way. Now, gardening gloves are like most everything else. You get what you pay for. There are some that are less expensive and some that are a definite investment. But think about how the glove fits, what you're using it for, and most importantly, what kind of feel you want. Perhaps you want the dexterity, so something a little bit thinner is going to be an option. For those times that you're working with your roses, you might want leather to protect not only your hands, but to your arms from all the scratches you might get. Be sure to try them on, make sure they fit, and remember they're going to break in over time, especially if they're a pair of leather gloves. If you're a winter gardener, they even have ones that are insulated to keep your hands nice and warm. So invest in a good pair of gardening gloves because it will be definitely worth it in the long run.